Hello boys and girls, I'm back with I have installed one brand new lens and this one here with the 56 LEDs in it supposedly. Okay, I'm not installing this one as I showed in the previous video. I'm only doing this for my effect or benefit. And there's an incandescent one which I've already shown that has a horizontal light. This one has a spread light. And this one mimics the incandescent light, all right? And then here's the free gift trick. Here's the actual, there's the actual part number for the bulb that I bought from Allalighting, which gave me this little blurb here, which I'm not doing this video for, but it's just, I do need a new festoon. I didn't mention that before, but the festoon, well anyway, that festoon's no good. All right, it's only half working. So now I'm out here at a testing the night capability of my truck, and I have a headlight on my head, so I'm going to show you that here is my truck, okay, and here is, I have, you know, LED, I have an LED that I installed. I cut a hole, drilled a hole, put that LED in the headlight. I have one on either side. I have LED headlights, okay, I have LED turn signals, okay, the LED side marker light. And I just installed this one here, the 56 LED, or you know, that one there, and I tried aiming it a little bit to get a good view. All right. And then here is the old one I took out, which has one of those, you know, I can't remember, but it's got one of those that was working, but it's not that great. So then on this side of the truck is, you know, still the old one. Okay, still the old one there, which is a the same. No, that's actually different, but it doesn't matter. It's not working very good. Again, like I said, here's, you know, the LED, and your LED in that headlight there. All right. So, like I said, let me turn my headlight off. Okay, so my headlight looks like. Okay, let's turn that off. All right, and now, without further ado, I'm going to turn on my running lights, which are run up the, there's my running lights, okay, that's the running lights in the door, and it's about 33 paces to that old, whatever it is. Okay, so that's the running lights, that's the headlights, okay, back to the running lights, fog light. Now, like I showed you, the one yellow fog light's on the driver's side, and the amber is on the other side, so let's go look at it, all right, now as you've seen that, all right, let's go look at it. Okay, you can see the amber is clear, and I'm sorry, the amber is on my left, and on my right, which is the driver's side, is the newer bulb, which is a lot clearer. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Okay, but as I, you know, show you like this, I tried aiming this one bulb here, the one fog light, and I tried to get it to where it's not quite that high up. I might lower it still some, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so now I made the other one about 11 minutes long, so this will be a little shorter. There's nobody out here to surprise me. There's the headlights, okay, LED, back to the fog lights, back to, well, that's off. Okay, so turn on running lights, pull on the fog light, run it over the headlights, and then put it to high beam. There's high beam, the fog lights kick off, back to low beam, back to like that, and then turn that, well, okay, wait, pull it out, turn that on. Okay, got that. Have you seen this well enough? Like I said, it's about 33 paces from here to there. That's all I know, and that's with the one bulb in there. I'm going to take a moment here and change out the other side and see if I can get, you know, again, once again, this is, you know, the new bulb there, which has that color, okay, and we have the old over here, which is amber, okay, and if I look at it on the ground here, you can see that this is amber, and this one over here is yellowish. So I like the yellowish color better for better illumination, but also it's yellow, it's not white. I don't like white. White doesn't show up as well. I mean, it does, but different people have different eyesight at night, right? Wouldn't you agree? Okay, that's been 5 minutes. Hope I haven't bored you. Hope you've enjoyed my view of actual viewing lights. Good night. Or one more video after this, or two more. Bye.